Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another one, and we got another super sexy watch unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it right quick. Once again, it's on to the road! To the road! Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, and here we go once again with another super sexy unboxing of this Nomos. You know what I mean? This is a watch I've been wanting to get in the collection for a long time now, and it's finally here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a good look at it right quick. Let's open him up. First, let me talk about the packaging. I think the packaging is dope. You know what I mean? Slim case. You know what I'm saying? I think it's dope. Now let's open him up. Look on the inside. Okay. You got your warranty card here. And up under here is the super sexy. There it is, people. There she is. The Nomos Club Campus cream coral dial color. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and just take him out. Take a good look at him right quick. It is up close and personal. Let's go ahead and set him right quick. You know what I mean? Ooh, that's so smooth. That is so smooth. 320 where I'm at. All right, wind him up. Yo, this is so freaking fly, yo. I'm definitely feeling this. I love that dial color. You know what I mean? And what's so amazing about that dial color, I actually have clothing to match this. You know what I'm saying? I'm not too fond about the gray stripe. So, yo, this is it, people. Nomos Club Campus in the building. Ain't she beautiful? So beautiful. So that's another sexy unboxing coming for your boy P. Ross. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. But before we do that, before we get up out of here, you know we got to try it on the wrist. I don't know, y'all looking at it on the wrist, the strap may be all right. You know what I mean? I like that. This thing is balling. Yo, Club Campus, baby. Cream coral. Look at that dial. Ooh, smoking fire. Review coming soon. This your boy P. Ross. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we're up out of here. Peace.